2022, Subaru WRX STI, Performance Accessories. Before we start, please subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell, so that you will be notified for the new video upload. The STI Sport are performance accessories. It is a proof that STI challenged to revolutionize the driving of WRX S4, which is a symbol of Subaru sports value. Thorough attention to special equipment and precise control realizes a wide range of dynamic performance that allows you to maximize the joy of driving in any situation. It is a performance model that realizes the ultimate sense of unity between people and cars. The Subaru STI Sport R has been refined for its sporty joy and texture as the highest-end model. The front and rear seats, center console, and door trim are color-coordinated in Bordeaux black. Based on the black interior that encourages concentration on driving, it enhances the satisfaction owned by Bordeaux, which creates the special feeling of STI Sport. And Recaro front seats that thoroughly pursue ergonomics, in collaboration with Recaro, are available as a manufacturer option. Touch the seat upholstery is comfortable ultra-suede adopted. It further stimulates the sports mindset of adults by balancing sports performance, safety, and comfort that can handle higher lateral G at a high level. Technology that further innovates the value of all-wheel drive sports. Drive mode select, WRX S4 dedicated control, electronically controlled damper made by ZF, equal and variable torque distribution electronic control. What do you think of this car? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.